Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm near them. I swear to God that I came.
Yo, what is up, guys? Today is same day as all these other videos are uploading. It's Thursday, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys exactly how you guys can make a connection for your console, PlayStation 3, Black Ops 2 connection using CCAP. Now, right now, this is just from the previous tutorials on how to make a context menu strip load and a message box load. Now I'm just gonna make a new form just because this is a whole new type of C# tutorial. Now we're just gonna make a Windows form application. We're just gonna call this RTM tutorial. Now you guys can call this whatever you guys want. This is your RTM tool, not mine. Then you guys click OK. And okay, click yes. Now I'm just gonna minimize this. And I'm gonna open up a thing. So business, programming, projects, or not projects, steps, and simple. Now, not everybody can remember how to make an RTM tool off their head. Now, I don't, that's for sure. And this is not my coding. This is from Tricky Mods. And yeah, this is not my coding. I'm just sharing this with you guys. So yeah, here you guys go. So we're just gonna start from the top. And this is connection. We're just gonna be doing connection and attaching and disconnect. So here we go. We're just gonna minimize and we're gonna load up our C# application. Now here we go. It says form 1. We're just gonna make it a little bit bigger, and then we're just gonna call this our connection, or we're just gonna call it RTM tool. Now I'm just gonna you guys are gonna go to project, add reference, and I'm gonna select all of these. It's gonna give me an error most likely. Yep, okay. So we're just gonna clear the list. So clear out reference list. You're gonna find where all your DLLs are. So I'm just gonna add that one because that one's already added. Mine's in business programming, and here's my DLLs. Click OK. Then you're good. Now go double click on your RTM tool application, and right here under Windows.forms, you're just gonna click enter, go under it and go to type using space Metro framework, and I'm just gonna click enter .forms and then semicolon. Click enter again, go under that and type in using PS3 lib. Now I have a lot of errors when I do my RTM tool coding with PS3 lib, so I'm just gonna remove it, and I'm gonna go to my desktop and I'm just gonna delete this one. Now I'm just gonna click X and minimize, and that one's gone. So I'm just gonna go to my downloads because this is from Xylem Mods, and he has a PS3 coding thing which showed how to use the DLLs. So that's how I got those. Project, add reference, I'm gonna browse, I'm gonna go to desktop, PS3 lib, and add. Okay, no, I didn't even add it. Add reference. It's not showing up. Okay, so we're just gonna drag it to a folder. Just gonna drag into the PS3 folder. Sorry guys, having a few difficulties while trying to do this video. So we're just gonna go into PS3 lib, add, and okay, there we go. Now PS3 lib, there's no errors, so I'm just gonna type it again. PS3 lib, enter, and then semicolon, and enter again. No errors. Now you're gonna see public partial class form 1, this thing, I forgot what that's called. And then you're just gonna type in front of Metro form, or in front of form where it says form, you're gonna type in capital M, then lowercase ETRO, which is Metro form. And then you're gonna go to form design, and it's gonna look a little different. It's gonna look a little better. I'm just gonna change this from blue to red by typing R and making this from light to dark. Now we go back to it, it's gonna be dark. Now these are just my personal preferences for making an art stencil. I like this layout better. Now we're just gonna make a tab control, so Metro tab control. There we go. If you guys don't have Metro tab control, just use tab control. So there's that. There's that. There we go. Now we're just gonna make this dark and red. Boom. Now go to this little arrow, click add tab, and then you're just gonna call this connection, and then dark and red. Boom. Now on this, we're just gonna make type a few buttons. So we're just gonna put Metro button, or just a regular button. Go right here, and you're just gonna copy it, paste, paste. Now we're just gonna go to the properties tab. We're just gonna call this connect. Crap, sorry. Attach. And we're just gonna call this one disconnect. Boom. Now we have that. Now we're just gonna drag these over, and boom. Now we're gonna drag a radio button. So Metro radio button, and we're just gonna drag that right there, and we're just gonna call this kex or ccappy, whatever, and then copy it, copy and paste. Control C, Control V. That's how you copy and paste if you didn't know. Now we're just gonna move that right there and that right there, and we're just gonna make this dark and red. Same thing with this, dark, red. There we go. Now we're just gonna call this one Dex. Enter, and boom. There we go. Now this is our connection layout that we're gonna be using to code. So we're just gonna double click on kex, and then we're also gonna go down to right here, ccappy code. You're gonna copy it right there, ccappy code with ps3.change API, and then minimize this. Now type right here, you're gonna paste. You're gonna get an error where it says PS3. That's normal, don't worry about it. Now go to Form 1 Design. You're gonna go to Dex, double click on it. Now you're gonna load up text document, and you're gonna find tmappy code, and click copy, and paste it. You're also gonna get another error under PS3. That's normal. Now you're gonna load up the connection, or connect, right here. Double click on it, and load up the text document, and go to where it says try connect, and then boom. Now, right here, we're just gonna paste. I like when it shows a message box, so I'm just gonna make it say a message box right here. So we're gonna go message box dot show. And if you guys don't know how to make a message box, you guys can see my previous tutorial on how to make a message box in C# coding. Now, we're just gonna type in here, successfully connected to PlayStation 3, and then semicolon behind it. Boom. That's our message box. Now click save and double click on attach. Go to the text document and go to where it says try and copy from try. Don't copy this thing right here. Don't copy that. You'll mess up everything. Copy that, and boom, and click paste, and then there you go. Now right here where it says successfully attached to tricky mods, I wanted to say something else because I don't like that. I'm just gonna say Venom the 0.0 Dommo mods Black Ops 2 art stencil. Boom. Also gonna make another message box, so I'm just gonna click enter right there. I'm gonna type message box dot show. I'm just gonna go a little faster right now because I'm already used to doing this. So okay, there we go. Now we're done. Now we're just gonna go to Form 1 Design, click Save, and then disconnect. We're just gonna go to text document again, and then we're just gonna go boom. And this one already has a message box, so that's good. and we're just gonna paste that in there. Boom. Now we have a lot of errors. If you guys look on the right side, and if you guys look where it says PS3, that's where all of our errors are. Now go to where it says under initialize component. You're gonna see a thing that says private void form1 load. You're just gonna go right here. Don't select this part. Select this part. Go to the text document and find where it says public status PS3 API PS3 equals new API. Click copy and paste it right there. That should clear up all your errors, and there you go. So now click save and debug your program. You should have no errors in the debugging process if everything is done exactly how I did it. So you're just going to select Kex because I am on Kex, and then click connect, and it should say that if you have successfully connected. Boom. Now it's going to say successfully attached because I just attached to my console, and boom. Now it just gave me some CCAP notifications on my PlayStation because I just connected and attached to my game on Black Ops 2. Now if I want to disconnect, all you do is click that, disconnect, and you have successfully disconnected. Now close that, and it's done. Now that is how you guys can make a connection to an RTM tool to your PlayStation 3 in C# coding. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Hope you guys come back for the next one. It's your boy Dommo, and I'm out. See you guys in the next one. Deuces.
She was such a paradise, standing